as you can see, we're making pretty good progress stacking blocks. We're almost up to the full height for the next pour. We ran out of rebar, so we have a couple more blocks on the left-hand side there to put in, which we'll do today. But we have a whole list of things that we need to do before we can pour concrete again. We've already backfilled here, sort of on the outside, as you can see. We made a little ramp here because Terry was smart enough to plan this door opening wide enough for our little excavator to get in and out. So that was really convenient. We didn't have to do anything by hand in here. So we've backfilled on the inside now as well, which you might have noticed in the last video when we put the braces up. Now that we've backfilled, we have another footing to do. You can see this little part where the foam's cut out there. That is going to be an additional like a load-bearing wall will sit on that footing. We couldn't do it originally because obviously there was a trench there. So now that we've backfilled and compacted, we can form in that footing. So I get to do my favorite job, pouring concrete in footings. That's not my favorite job. This pour is going to bring us up into the second floor, which is awesome. But that means that we have to have all the joist hangers for the floor joists in. So that's what those little silver circles are that you can see. Terry's done the ones on that wall and the ones on this wall. So those are already in. We just need to do the two side walls. We had to confirm the spacing for the sidewalls with the engineer. So now that we've done that, we'll put the rest of those in. We also have quite a few openings to cut because all of our like venting is going to go outside through the floor joists. So like our dryer vent and our radon, it's all going to exit out through the floor joist. So we'll have to cut those openings. We also have our counterfort wall is only half full of concrete. We finished the rebar there. So we just need to form that in before we can pour. So we need to pick up those forms still. And then also the window box. There's a lot of windows in this pour. So we've got two there. That one. That is the giant patio door there. And then we've got the tops of those two windows. That's a bathroom window and the front door there. So we have to buck in all of those openings as well, which is going to be pretty time consuming. So once we do all of that, we'll be ready for our next pour. Where do you want me to hold from? But closer to level. Do you want to just level right now?
Yeah.
Get down a bit. Closer to me.
Up a bit?
Nope, down more. Down more. Getting close now. Probably should have done it the other way and put the end here.
Go in towards the inside of it?
So I'm going to use millimeters because it's just one shy of 452. It is 3 mil long.
Which one are you going to use?
We need about 8 feet. This is a 10-footer.
To keep going, or?
Yeah.
Let's get that other one set and then...
Oh, okay. Then let's use this long one on the bottom again.
Okay. That's the worst spot today. That's the worst spot. Get out of the way.
Yeah.
Looks like that.
You'd never even know it was completely rolled and twisted. Can we tap it towards you from the end a little?
Yep. Is it okay if I do this right here by you?
You see how hacked up my cut is compared to your cut? I was like, how did you do this? No, it's just because it needs to go through at an angle, and I cut. So I need to.
Well, leave it over at an angle. I think it's mostly the dirt.
Good from this side. I must want to be cutting straight. Just this side. Just for the wind. Woo! Yeah, just get concrete out of the hole. Yeah. Are you going in that hole? Okay. Should I do my side now? Did you get yours?
Yeah.
Oh, getting hard to push. Hey.
Is that doing it far enough?
Yeah, that's good. He won't get out of the side-by-side because it's raining. Okay. Perfect.